Inventory Pro now has an AI Assistant workbench. Start from the Assistant page, see the read-only status, and choose quick questions for stock risk, sales, customer due, and daily operations. First, ask for critical low-stock products. The assistant summarizes reorder risk, explains what needs attention, and gives a practical purchase recommendation without changing any inventory records. Next, ask for today's sales and best sellers. The assistant turns sales data into a manager summary, showing revenue, invoice count, top products, and what to watch before closing. Customer credit is covered too. Ask who owes money, then request a polite payment reminder message that can be copied into WhatsApp, SMS, or email follow-up. For daily control, ask the operations prompts. The assistant highlights closing checks, unusual stock movement, warehouse risk, and the next actions a manager should review. This demo also shows the safe failure path. If the AI provider is not reachable, the screen keeps the user's question and shows a retry option instead of losing work. Assistant answers can be copied, and the conversation can be cleared for the next task. This keeps the tool useful for repeated shop workflows during the day. Finally, Open Provider Settings. Inventory Pro supports Anthropic, OpenAI, OpenRouter, local Ollama, and Azure OpenAI, so admins can choose the AI provider that fits their business.